Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I've been busy with life. Today's video is going to be a wig review on this 10-inch human hair bob that was sent to me. It is 13 by 6, I believe, but this is the construction of the inside. I think it comes with 3 combs. It didn't come with this one, and the adjusted straps. And this is the color. I don't remember the color off the top of my head, but I'll list the link down below. So this is the wig. Just gonna try it on. I won't be wearing it as a middle part. I really don't like middle part wigs, so I'll probably do it to the side and add a little. I'll probably make this wavy since I did the last review as straight, but this is how it looks. So now that I've put the wig on, I'm gonna tie it down for about 15 minutes, let the lace melt in, and then I'll be right back on camera. So guys, this is the wig fully installed. I'm about to flat iron it to make the ends a little bit straighter, but I usually style it on my mannequin so I can just throw it on and be out the door. But I'm gonna show you guys, this is my flat iron ordered off Amazon. When I first received this wig, I wasn't feeling the color as much because I'm just exploring different colors, but the only thing I can say about this is the lace is really white. You have to tint. If not tint, you can use the, well, I use this and the darkest shade to tint my lace a little bit, but I know you guys can see my stocking cap, but I'll probably just take it off when I'm done shooting this video. Wig off of Amazon, and it was for about $83, $84, free shipping. It came as a middle part, but if you've seen most of my videos, I prefer to do a side part. I don't really like middle part unless it's for curly hair. But this is how I ended up styling it. Straightened the ends a little bit and just swoop this to the side. What else can I say about this wig? It is big head friendly. I will link all the information below, the direct wig link and the color, because I'm not remembering what color this is, but after installing this wig, I really like this color. I think it looks pretty good on me. I don't know. I'll probably try some more of the wigs in this type of blonde mix with brown highlights and lowlights. This wig is pretty cute. It looks really cute. Let me show you the back. This is the back of the wig. This is the side view. This is how it looks. This is, I know I cut a little bit much off of this side of the lace front, but it's blended in. I wouldn't usually go for this type of wig with the streaks. I like more of a black natural color or blonde wig, but I'm really liking how this wig is looking. It's really cute. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.